Crash course on China's economy, opportunities and challenges. China's economy has undergone a dramatic transformation over the past few decades, growing at an unprecedented rate and becoming one of the largest in the world. While the country's economic success has presented numerous opportunities for both Chinese citizens and foreign investors, it has also come with its fair share of challenges. Opportunities. One of the main opportunities presented by China's economy is its enormous consumer market. With a population of over 1.4 billion people, China has the world's largest middle class and is home to millions of potential consumers. This has made the country a highly attractive market for both domestic and foreign businesses, particularly in the technology, retail, and consumer goods sectors. China's economy has also benefited from its rapidly developing infrastructure, including high-speed railways, ports, and airports. This has made it easier and more cost-effective for businesses to transport goods and connect with consumers across the country. Another opportunity presented by China's economy is its status as a major player in global trade. The country has become a key hub for global supply chains, with many businesses relying on Chinese manufacturers and suppliers for their products. This has allowed China to become one of the world's leading exporters and has helped to propel the country's economic growth. Challenges. Despite its economic success, China's economy also faces several challenges. One of the main challenges is the country's high debt levels, which have been driven in part by government-led investments in infrastructure and real estate. While these investments have helped to fuel economic growth, they have also led to concerns about China's long-term financial stability. Another challenge facing China's economy is the ongoing trade tensions with the United States and other countries. The Trump administration's trade war with China, which began in 2018, resulted in tariffs on hundreds of billions of dollars worth of Chinese goods and had a significant impact on the country's economy. While the Biden administration has taken a more conciliatory approach to China, the trade tensions between the two countries remain unresolved and could continue to pose challenges for China's economy in the years to come. Finally, China's economy faces challenges related to environmental sustainability. The country has struggled with air pollution, water pollution, and other environmental issues, which have had a negative impact on public health and the country's natural resources. While the Chinese government has taken steps to address these issues, including implementing stricter environmental regulations, it remains to be seen whether these efforts will be enough to mitigate the environmental impact of the country's economic growth. Examples and stories. One of the most notable examples of China's economic success is the rise of Alibaba, the Chinese e-commerce giant. Founded in 1999 by Jack Ma, Alibaba has grown to become one of the largest online retailers in the world, with over 1 billion active users and a market capitalization of over $500 billion. The company's success has been driven in part by China's enormous consumer market, as well as its rapidly developing logistics infrastructure. Another example of China's economic success is the country's Belt and Road Initiative, a massive infrastructure and investment project that aims to connect China with countries across Asia, Europe, and Africa. The project has already led to billions of dollars in investment in infrastructure projects, including railways, ports, and highways. While the project has faced some criticism for its potential geopolitical implications, it has also presented numerous opportunities for businesses and investors looking to tap into the growing markets along the Belt and Road. In terms of challenges, one of the most notable examples is the Chinese real estate market, which has been fueled by government-led investments in infrastructure and housing. While this has led to significant economic growth, it has also led to concerns about a potential housing bubble and rising debt levels. In recent years, the Chinese government has taken steps to cool the housing market, including implementing stricter lending requirements. Another example of a challenge facing China's economy is the issue of income inequality. While China's economic growth has lifted millions of people out of poverty, it has also resulted in significant income disparities between urban and rural areas, as well as between different regions of the country. This has led to social and political tensions, as well as concerns about the sustainability of China's economic growth model. Despite these challenges, China's economy continues to offer numerous opportunities for both domestic and foreign businesses. The country's large and rapidly growing consumer market, as well as its infrastructure investments, make it an attractive destination for investors looking to tap into Asia's economic growth. However, it is important for businesses to be aware of the challenges facing China's economy, including its high debt levels, trade tensions, and environmental concerns, in order to navigate the market effectively. Here are 10 examples of China's economic success over the past 40 years. 1. Rapid GDP growth. China's GDP has grown at an average annual rate of around 9.5% over the past 40 years, making it one of the fastest growing economies in the world. 2. Poverty reduction. China has lifted over 850 million people out of poverty since 1978, thanks to its economic reforms and development policies. 3. Urbanization. China's urban population has grown from less than 20% in 1978 to over 60% today, a result of the country's rapid urbanization and industrialization. 4. Foreign investment. China has become one of the world's top destinations for foreign investment, with inflows reaching over $138 billion in 2020 alone. 5. Manufacturing powerhouse. China has become the world's leading manufacturer, producing everything from electronics and textiles to machinery and automobiles. 6. Consumer market. With a population of over 1.4 billion people, China has become one of the world's largest consumer markets, driving global demand for everything from luxury goods to technology products. 7. Infrastructure development. China has invested heavily in infrastructure development, building highways, high-speed rail lines, airports, and ports across the country. 8. Technological innovation. China has become a global leader in technological innovation, with companies like Huawei, Alibaba, and Tencent at the forefront of the industry. 9. International trade. China has become a major player in international trade, with exports accounting for around 20% of the country's GDP. 10. Energy and resource security. China has made significant investments in securing its energy and resource supplies, including developing its own oil and gas fields and investing in renewable energy sources like wind and solar power. In conclusion, China's economy has undergone a dramatic transformation over the past few decades, presenting numerous opportunities and challenges for businesses and investors. While the country's enormous consumer market, infrastructure investments, and global trade position make it an attractive destination for businesses, its high debt levels, trade tensions, and environmental challenges pose significant risks. By understanding these opportunities and challenges, businesses can make informed decisions about how to navigate the Chinese market and tap into its enormous potential for growth. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support RN Hub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.